Hello everyone. Welcome back on ClariConcept platform. In today's lecture, we will discuss about rotary balancing numerical. So let's start. In the previous lecture, we have seen one numerical on rotary balancing. And in today's lecture, we will see new kind of numerical on rotary balancing. So here you can see numerical 2. Four masses A, B, C and D are completely balanced. Masses C and D makes angle of 90 degree and 195 respectively with that of mass B in the counterclockwise direction. The rotating masses having the following properties. Mass B 25 kg, mass C 40 kg, mass D is equal to 35 kg, where radius RA is equal to 150 mm, RB is equal to 200 mm, RC is equal to 100 mm and RD is equal to 180 mm. Plane B and C are 250 mm apart. Determine the mass A and its angular position with that of mass B. Position of all the planes relative to plane of mass A. So here you can see one diagram. Take one shaft on which there are four planes, which name is A, B, C and D, in which C and D plane making angle of 90 degree and 195 degree respectively with mass B. It means mass B at 0 degree. Now at mass B 25 kg and C plane having a mass which is 40 kg, D plane having a mass which is a 35 kg, where radius of plane B is 200 mm, radius of plane C is 100 mm and radius of D plane is 180 mm. Here distance between plane B and C is a 250 mm apart. So we don't know value of mass A, we have to find by solution of this numerical. So here we all know there are two methods. One is a graphical method and another one is an analytical method. So first let's start with graphical method. So in graphical method there are two terms. One is a force polygon and the second one is a couple polygon. So here you can see the diagram and let's start with force polygon. As the mass is moving in the rotary motion, so providing a centrifugal force, which value will be m into r into omega square. But omega square is a common term in all the elements or all the planes, so we have to remove that. So force polygon where force will be only m into r. So here you can see where first start with plane B where mass mb and with respect to radius rb. So mb rb will be magnitude of the force which produced in plane B, where mc rc is the force magnitude which produced in plane C at a 90 degree with respect to plane B, where md rd is a magnitude of plane D force which showing at 195 degrees Celsius. But here you can see the polygon is not close. To make polygon close means to make your system in equilibrium, you have to join first point and the last point. So here you can see one arrow is joining. The arrow length is presenting magnitude of the force which in plane A, which is ma into Ra. So here the length is equal to ma Ra, but you want to find mass ma. So length divided by Ra, you can find mass ma. And by using horizontal anticlockwise angle, you can find theta a angle for the reference by mass B, or you can say reference from the plane B. Now we will see couple polygon. How to produce a couple polygon? For the reference for the couple polygon, we can here use force polygon first. So for the couple polygon, you have to choose one reference plane. To choosing the reference plane, here I am taking B plane as a reference plane. So you can see here B plane is a reference plane, so no couple is produced in the plane B. So here couple is a MC-RC-DC, which showing that couple produced in plane C, where DC is the distance between B to C and the angle at 90 from the reference plane B. Now here MD-RD into DD, which showing that length couple produced in plane D, where DD is the distance between plane B and plane D. Now you can join these two by using one arrow. The length of this arrow showing that couple produced in plane A, which magnitude will be MARE DA, and the angle you have find from the force polygon. Now we will start analytical method. So by starting the analytical method, first you know the given data given in your question. So let's write up all the given data given in your question. So here you can see on a screen that I have written all the things in which you don't know the mass at plane A, theta at plane A, and the distance between of all the planes from the reference plane A. In analytical method, to reduce the complexity, we will take plane A as a reference plane. Whenever you start any analytical method, you should first draw one table. This table contains plane, mass, radius, distance and angle. And you can see from the diagram, here we have a four plane, which is A, B, C and D, which having a mass Ma, which value we don't know, but mass B value is 25 kg, where A mass is placed with radius Ra and distance will be 0 because we are taking plane A as a reference plane, and the angle theta A, where mass B is a MB, which placed with radius RB, and the distance is dB, which this distance between plane A and plane B, and the angle is 0, where plane C having mass MC, radius RC, distance DC, this distance between plane A to plane C, and the angle is 90 degree, where plane D having a mass MD, which provided at radius RD with distance DD, this distance between plane A to plane D, and the angle is 195 degree Celsius. 195 degree. Now you know the mass is provided in this at some angle. So whenever any mass provided at some angle, they having a two components, one in a cos term and another one in a sin term. So force and couple both having a two components. So let's make one table which contain all these things like plane, mass, radius, distance, angle, and the component of force and component of couple. So first write up all the values which is given in the numerical. Now make a force component. So we don't know the value of mass A, but we know the value of radius. So Ma into 150 into cos theta A, same as a Ma into 150 into sin theta A, where we know the value of all the terms in plane B. So we can write the force cos component as a 25 into R is a 200 into cos 0, same as a 25 into 200 into sin 0. such that we can write for plane C and D also. Now talk about couple. So whenever you are talking about a couple, make sure the reference plane couple will be 0 and the plane B couple is 25 into 200 into dB into cos 0, because we don't know the distance between plane A to plane B. Now the sine component, such as we can write for the plane C and D. So here you can see the value of that. Now in analytical method we have a two condition, that summation of force equal to 0 and the summation of couple is equal to 0. So first apply force condition, that sum of all force equal to 0. But here we have a two kind of component, one in the terms of cos theta and another in the terms of sin theta. So first we take all the cos term. So here you can see when you write up all the cos theta terms equal to 0, and again I will write for the sin theta terms. So for the cos theta terms equation given name as A, and for the sin theta terms given as a name B. From the equation A and B we can find solution like that: MA into 150 is equal to under root minus 1085.33 square plus 2369.44 square when you take square of the both equation. From that you can find MA is equal to 17.37. As we know that tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. So the value of sin theta divided by cos theta, we get theta A value, which is a 294.6 degree. Now we solve couple. So summation of couple equal to 0. So here you can see, first I write up all the cos theta terms equal to 0, and this equation given name as a C. Here you can see cos 90 equal to 0. So the only two terms is remaining, 5000 dB plus minus 6085.33 dB. From that we can find relation between distance of B equal to 1.21 distance of D. Here dB is a distance between reference plane, it means from plane A to plane B, and dd is showing that distance between plane A to plane D, which we give name as a 1. Now take all the sin theta equal to 0, couple of the old terms in sin theta equal to 0. So here you can see that sin 0 equal to 0. From that this equation name as a D, and from the equation D we can find some relation like 4000 dc plus minus 1630.55 dd. From these we can find a relation between dc equal to 0.4076 dd, which give name as a 2. Now put the value of second equation, put the value of equation second into the equation 1. So dB is equal to here plus 250 equal to 0.407 dd, because DC is a dB plus 250, because between B and C the distance is 250, and from the DC is the distance between reference plane A to reference plane C. So from here you can find the relation of DD and the value of DD, which is a minus 311.56 mm. Now use the equation 1 here, dB is equal to 1.21 dd. So put dd value in the equation number 1, so you will find the value of dB, and after finding this value you can put this dd value into second equation, which is a DC, and you will find minus 126.8049. So here the value is in minus, which showing that from the diagram you can see that our plane was starting from the left to right, but the value is coming in the negative form. So our taken reference plane direction is wrong. So here you can see the actual direction will be from the right to left. Reference plane A will be in the most top right side, and near to the reference plane A, C will be placed. After that D, and after that B from the value of the solution. So A distance between A and C will be 126.8, where distance between A and D will be 311.56, and the distance between A and B will be 376.98. So here our question solution is complete by both the methods. One is a graphical and analytical. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.